Do you feel like you've tried everything, but nothing seems to be working when it comes to manifesting your desires? You're not alone. Many people struggle with manifesting, and it can be frustrating. But there's a solution, and it's simpler than you might think. Hello, and welcome back to another manifestation video. Today, I want to share a powerful exercise that you can do when nothing else seems to be working. This exercise is based on the teachings of Neville Goddard, who was a renowned spiritual teacher and author of several books on manifestation. In this video, I'll explain how you can use self-talk to manifest your desires and share some of Neville Goddard's wisdom on the subject. As I mentioned earlier, manifesting your desires can be challenging, especially if you've tried everything and nothing seems to be working. But the truth is, the more we try, the more resistance we create. To do this, we need to change our self-talk. Our thoughts and words create our reality, and if we're constantly telling ourselves that we can't manifest our desires, we'll continue to experience lack and limitations. I'm going to share Neville Goddard quotes and describe their meanings so that you can understand how to change your self-talk, find limiting beliefs, and speed up your manifestation. And the last quote is very important. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Neville Goddard said, "Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live." This quote emphasizes the importance of self-image in creating our reality. Our beliefs and assumptions about ourselves determine our experiences in life. If we see ourselves as unworthy or inadequate, we will attract situations and people that reflect those beliefs. On the other hand, if we have a positive self-image and see ourselves as capable and deserving, we will attract abundance and success. Our self-image is the mental picture we hold of ourselves, which includes our beliefs, values, and perceptions about ourselves. It is based on our past experiences, cultural conditioning, and the feedback we receive from others. Our self-image can be empowering or limiting, and it can either help or hinder our ability to manifest our desires. For instance, if we have a negative self-image, we may believe that we are not good enough, or that we do not deserve good things in life. This can cause us to feel anxious, fearful, or even depressed. Such negative feelings and beliefs can create a negative energy field around us, which repels positive experiences and opportunities. We may find ourselves stuck in a rut, unable to break free from our negative patterns. On the other hand, if we have a positive self-image, we may believe that we are capable, confident, and deserving of success. This can create a positive energy field around us, which attracts positive experiences and opportunities. We may find ourselves in a state of flow, where everything seems to work out effortlessly. To change our conception of ourselves, we need to become aware of our negative beliefs and thought patterns. We need to challenge them and replace them with positive affirmations that support our desired reality. If we believe that we are not good enough, we can affirm that we are worthy and deserving of love, success, and abundance. We can visualize ourselves as already having achieved our desired outcomes and feel the emotions associated with that. By changing our self-image, we automatically change the world around us. We begin to attract people, situations, and opportunities that are in alignment with our new beliefs and thoughts. Our reality reflects our inner world, and as we change our thoughts, we change our reality. Neville Goddard also said, "Your imagination is able to do anything, and all things are possible to him who believes." Neville Goddard believed that our imagination is one of the most powerful tools we have to create the reality we desire. He believed that everything that exists in our physical reality was once just an idea or a thought in someone's mind. Therefore, if we can imagine something and believe it to be true, we can manifest it into our reality. However, according to Neville, the reason why many people struggle to manifest their desires is that they lack the belief that their desires are possible. When we doubt ourselves, we are essentially blocking the flow of abundance and preventing our desires from coming into fruition. Our doubts and limiting beliefs create a negative vibration that is not aligned with the vibration of our desires, causing a disconnect in the manifestation process. For example, if someone wants to manifest a new job, but deep down they believe that they are not qualified or skilled enough to get it, they are essentially blocking themselves from attracting that job into their life. Their limiting beliefs about themselves are creating a negative vibration that is not in alignment with the job they desire. On the other hand, if they can imagine themselves already in the job they desire and truly believe it to be possible, they will begin to attract opportunities and circumstances that align with that desire. Neville Goddard's another wonderful quote states that assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. Assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled is an exercise that helps you to focus your attention on your desired outcome instead of on the lack of it. When we focus on the lack of something, we are essentially telling the universe that we don't have it, and therefore we continue to attract more of the same. However, when we focus on the feeling of already having our desire, we are sending a clear signal to the universe that we are ready to receive it. The key to this exercise is to truly feel the emotions that come with having your desire already manifested. It's not enough to simply visualize it or say affirmations, but to actually embody the emotions as if you are experiencing them in the present moment. This is what Neville Goddard referred to as living from the end, which means that you are living as if your desire has already come to fruition. Once you have assumed the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the next step is to observe the route that your attention follows. This means that you pay attention to the thoughts, feelings, and actions that come up as a result of assuming the feeling of your desire already being fulfilled. This observation helps you to identify any limiting beliefs or resistance that may be preventing you from fully manifesting your desire. For example, let's say you want to manifest a new car. You assume the feeling of already having the car and feel the excitement and joy that comes with it. As you observe the route that your attention follows, you may notice thoughts that come up such as, "I don't deserve this," or "I can't afford it." These thoughts are indicators of limiting beliefs that need to be addressed in order to fully manifest your desire. By observing the route that your attention follows, you can identify any resistance that may be blocking your manifestation and take the necessary steps to remove it. This could include affirmations, visualization, or even taking inspired action towards your desired outcome. One of the most famous quotes of Neville Goddard is, "Your feeling is the touchstone of all you attract." This highlights the importance of emotions in manifestation. In other words, the emotions we experience on a regular basis, whether positive or negative, shape the reality we experience in our lives. For instance, imagine that you are trying to manifest a better job. You have been visualizing and affirming your desire for weeks, but you can't seem to make any progress. You feel anxious and uncertain about your future, and these emotions are preventing you from attracting what you desire. According to Neville's teaching, if you want to manifest your dream job, you need to match the vibration of the job you want. This means that you need to align your feelings with the positive emotions that come with having that job, such as joy, confidence, and excitement. If you can hold on to those positive feelings, you will attract more opportunities and experiences that align with your desired outcome. Let's say you want to manifest a loving relationship. You've been working on your self-love and visualization techniques, but you still feel lonely and sad most of the time. Your negative emotions are blocking the flow of abundance, and you're not able to attract the type of relationship you desire. To shift your emotions, you could try practicing gratitude and focusing on all the positive aspects of your life. Instead of feeling lonely, you can focus on the abundance of love that already exists in your life, such as the love from your friends, family, or even pets. When you can shift your feelings to ones of love and gratitude, you'll attract more loving experiences and relationships into your reality. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.